the present demo, we show you how to propose the creation of a website from the front end. So to do that, we have to use a website, a slave website that will be replicated using some specific rules defined in a template, and this will create the final website. So here we have defined in the master website the template master 1. If we go in master template 1 and we have a look in the users, we have defined in the user a specific user that is an administrator that will restrict the possibility of the final front-end user. So now if we return in our master website and go in the template, we will create a template. Here we have already defined. We give a name. We specify a group that allows you to create categories or set of templates that will be presented in a specific menu. You give the validity duration. If you don't specify this parameter, the website is unlimited. You can specify when you want to sell a website to the final user. You can specify here, for example, SKU number for your shopping system, for example, Vertumart. You can give a default title that you want to change in the website. You give here the most important, the description of the template, what kind of service you want to propose to your final customer. You specify the URL that will be used for the website creation. Here we use the default GMS structure, multi-site directory, and we specify the site identifier that will retrieve here also the same value here and here. As we duplicate or replicate the template master 1, we'll select this name, and is this website, we select the specific front-end administrator user that we have created, and we specify the new rule for the creation of the target website. So to have a unique name, we use U for letter, user ID because this is unique, and the site prefix, the values that will be entered by the customer. As we use a standard GMS directory structure, we deploy it in a site directory that is the absolute path of the website that is equivalent to multi-site site ID, multi-site site ID. So when this is done, we can create a menu. If we go in the menu from the front end, we have created here a front-end website that is based on multi-site slave here, and we say in which group we want to select the template. We give a title, and here we can specify if we want to show or hide the delete button for security reasons. Perhaps you want to avoid that the user can delete their website. And if you want to use those parameters to create your own script or use a plugin or things like that, you have to enable this parameter that will give you the possibility of execute specific script. This is only available with billable website. When this is done, you can go to the front end and how the website can be created. So now go on the front end. Here we have already login with a normal test user. We have selected the front end website. We have our title, and we will create a website. So here we have our template, the text that is displayed. We say, for example, test 01, no alias, website number 1, for example. Here you can specify the new email that will be associated to the front-end admin user that was present in the template at the origin. So, for example, sales@gms2win.com, and specify the password. You create the website, and now the website is created. You retrieve the role that was defined and the name here. If you go in your master website, you can check and you see that the website is created. You can also check the table prefix, and if you want to see, you have the new title, and you can check how it has been created and deployed correctly with the site ID. That's all.